I want to share with you a update on the pressure washing calculator, and right at the end of this video I'd also like to get some feedback on a potential new affiliate feature for the calculator. So this is just in testing, but we're able to add and create a quote for our customers. We're able to add the names of the services that we want to quote and link them to the calculator. We can also add your business logo and the telephone and email. And here you can see us as basically quoting up 4 different services. You can preview your quote, add discounts, add your VAT, and make any final changes to the estimate. From here, you can preview your estimate, see your business details, and then save the quote as a PDF or an image. So about that affiliate offer for the pressure washing calculator, we're interested in building in an affiliate function to the calculator. So if you're currently paying for the pressure washing calculator or looking to pay for the pressure washing calculator when it's available on Android devices, we want to give some people the ability to become an affiliate. Whether this is available to everybody or on a limited basis is yet to be decided, but I'd like to know that if there was the ability to become an affiliate for the product, would you be inclined to make content about it and share the pressure washing calculator with people that you think would benefit from it? The idea of the pressure washing calculator is to actually help people with their pricing and speed up the process. So if we had an affiliate offer with this product, would you share it with other people that you think would benefit from it? Let me know in the comments below.